Hello everyone. In our previous videos of the Learn Python series, we discussed the print, input and if-else functions used in Python. In this video, we will discuss about variables. Variables serve as named containers for storing data values. Unlike some other programming languages, Python does not require explicit declaration of a variable's type before assigning a value to it. If we write x is equal to 3, here Python will consider x of type integer, whose value is 3. If we print x and run the program, then 3 is printed. That is, the value of x is printed, and x is a variable here. If we need to check the type of variable, data type of a variable can be checked by print type x. So see, the Python has shown that it is of class int. Int means integer. Let's try other things. Let x be 3. Here x is of type string. If we print x and its type again and run the program, then see, 3 we have written here in double quotes, and so it is of type string. When we write something in double quotes, Python take it as a string, but if we have written an integer without double quotes, then it will take it as an integer. There are several ways to assign value to a variable. If we write x is equals to string 3, x will be 3. And if we write, let's say, y equals to integer 3, then again it will be considered as an integer. But if we write z is equals to float 3, then z will be 3.0 here. Float means it will take the decimal values even if it's integer. Let's print x first and see the output. Let's put this in comment. So see, 3 is printed. If we print y, and z here, so see, 3, 3 and 3.0. Z is printed as a float value, which is decimal. So it is 3.0. Now let's see other things. If we write x is equals to Infosmart Solutions, let us say, or we write x is equals to Infosmart Solution in single quotes, then both the things are same. Whether we write in double quotes or single quotes, it will print the same thing. We give it this variable as y and print y. So see, Infosmart Solutions is printed in the same way in both the things. Whether we have put it in double quotes or single quotes, it will take it as a string. So it will print as it is. Now Python is a case sensitive language. If we assign small a value as 4 and capital A value as Infosmart, then capital A will not overwrite small a. You can check this by printing small a. See, 4 is printed here. Capital A has not overtaken small a. Small a is still the same, which is 4, and capital A is Infosmart. Now let us see other things, like if we need to assign values to multiple variables in a single line, then we can write it as a, b, c is equal to, and in double quotes, name like orange, banana, and cherry. If we print a here and run the program, then see orange is printed. So a variable is given the value orange, b is given banana, and c is given the value cherry respectively. Now let's see if we want to swap the variables. Let us take some new variables. Let t be 10, e be 20, and if we need to swap them, then we can simply write t, e is equal to e, t. By writing this, t variable will get the value in e, and e variable will get the value which was in t. So now the t will be having the value in e, which is 20, and e will have the value which was in t, which is 10. Let's print this and check the output. So see, t has got the value 20 and e has got the value 10. Now let us write another program of summing up the variables. Let number 1 be 15 and number 2 be 5. If we make another variable named sum is equal to num1 plus num2. That is, sum is given the value that whatever number is there in number 1 and number 2, they will get added. Now let us print sum. So the numbers were 15 and 5, the sum is 20, and this is the same as shown by Python. Let us see another code in which we can say, let us say first name is equal to Infosmart and second name is equal to Solutions. If we need to write Infosmart and Solutions with a space, then we can assign another variable, let us say full name, which will be equals to first name plus a space plus the second name. So let us write this, first name plus a space, then second name. If we print full name now and run the program, then we got the first name with a space and second name. Variable name cannot start with a number. For example, if you want to write to my variable, then it is an invalid variable name. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more coding content. Happy coding!